So capabilities in the context of that computer security refers to the principle of that least privilege, where entities like I can take example that processors, users, or that applications which are that granted only that permissions and access right necessary to perform their specific task. So understanding the capabilities and their exploitations involved that comprehending that how permissions are managed to that manipulated within a system. So first of all, the basic of the capabilities. So capabilities are a way to control access to resource or operating within a system. So instead of that granting board permissions, let's say that root or admin access, capabilities grant fine gain permission to specific action or resources. So capabilities can be assigned to user, processors, or objects, or that allowing them to perform only the action for which they are explicitly granted permissions. So examples of capabilities included like that read write access to the file, network communication, system call, and hardware resources. And if I'm talking about that exploitations of the capabilities, so exploiting capabilities involve that bypassing or manipulating permission control to gain unauthorized access or perform that unauthorized actions. So common techniques for exploiting capabilities like that privilege escalation, obviously that exploiting vulnerability to gain higher level of capabilities or that permissions than originally granted, and that privilege elevation, so that manipulating the system of elevate once that privilege to perform actions beyond the granted capabilities, and the capabilities leaking, where we are that exploiting vulnerabilities to extract or we can say that leak capabilities from other process to the entities. And if I'm taking that example, so containerization technologies we are using like Docker and Kubernetes, which use their capabilities to control access to system that resources within the container. So mobile operating systems use capabilities to restrict the permissions granted to mobile applications to enhancing the security and privacy. Or we can say that that web browser implement capabilities based security module to isolate and sandbox web content, that preventing that malicious code from accessing that sensitive resources. So overall, that understanding the capabilities and their exploitations, which require a comprehensive understanding of access control mechanism, their privilege management, and vulnerability analysis. So by implementing proper security measures and adhering to the principle of least privilege, organization can mitigate the risk associated with capabilities and exploitation and enhance the overall security postures.